Hey yo, what's up everyone, this is Bimbo behind the cameras. Hope you guys are doing fine. So today's vlog is gonna be a bit different than what I made before, so this vlog is gonna be about my new setup. So it's a third person view setup. It's not pretty common, I guess. I've not seen many bikers or many riders do this thing, but I find it pretty awesome. So that's why I was really interested in doing this. That's why I bought the GoPro Max, to be honest. It works really well in a 360 camera. So the things you need for the setup is a few things that I will be explaining. So yeah, it almost took me a whole month, you know, to do all those research what you need to get on the bike, on top of the GoPros and everything. So I'll be explaining everything detailedly so that you guys can also use this setup. Everything will be in the description below. Most of the parts are from RAM mounts. If you haven't heard of RAM mounts, they basically started from phone holders and they began to expand their markets and everything. So they're making these holders and everything as well. So the first thing I got was a Tough Claw. You will get 3 varieties of Tough Claw: small, medium, large. I prefer small, that's why I went for that. And the other thing I got was a Tough pole. So this is a 18-inch pole. You can get a bigger one as well, but I find this one perfect for me. On a Tough pole you have 2 mounts on the both end. One that holds the stick, the other one holds the claw itself. I don't know why they did this, but originally when you buy it, this part and that part, that will come off easily. Don't know why they did that. So I used a PVC cement on both sides. You can see the cement is coming out as well. So yeah, that cement is pretty good, so it's pretty stable now. This will not come off. So on top of the fold goes the selfie stick. This is a Insta36 invisible selfie stick. I got this from Amazon. So I don't know how long, I don't know the exact measurement, but yeah, it's pretty long and it's pretty light as well. So this goes on top. Let's unscrew that. Goes over there. That up, and on the top of the selfie stick in Insta360 goes the GoPro Max. Let's give it a wipe. So to fit a GoPro camera on these selfie sticks, you will need a mount like this. I think it's called a tripod mount adapter or something. Screw it in. We are recording, right? Yeah. So yeah, just like that. And this part will go on my foot peg. Let's see how long this gets. Just like that. So yeah, just make sure you are tightening every screw to its max. Make sure everything is holding the way you like. Tie that thing up, and there you go. So the price tag for everything, I'm gonna tell you, it is an expensive setup. So for everything it will cost you around, that's 60, 40, 30, 10, let's say around 160 or 170 Australian dollar. So yeah, it's not a cheap setup for me. It's expensive for me. And the other thing I like about this setup is you can like adjust it to whatever level you want. So if I want it like this, I can go there. If you want it down, all the way over there. The place where I bought the RAM mount itself, he said that it will be a illegal setup. They said that the highway patrols won't like it. They might pull you over, they might not, depends upon, yeah, whatever. But he said that it's illegal, but I'm still gonna do it anyway. So alright, so just bear in mind with that. And we're on. I've been waiting this for a long time, so I hope this information and everything might be helpful for you guys. I'm gonna go and test out how it looks. So I'm at Bondi right now, and I'll be doing, I'll be getting some shots from this camera. So I'll be changing the cameras now. You guys will be watching the views from that camera, and let's see if it falls down or not. Hope not. Yo, there was a cop and he did not pull me over for that. So I guess we are cool. Yeah, some people said that it was illegal to have that long mount in a bike, obstructing other vehicles or something like that. I don't know the laws, but they said that it's illegal, but yeah, he let me pass. So yeah, so it is a bit not unstable, but it's a bit moving. Maybe I'll get a cable ties or something like that to tighten it up. So let's see what we can do about that. So yeah, so overall this is the setup. GoPro on top, a mount that holds the stick and the GoPro, Insta360 invisible stick, selfie stick, GoPro tough pole, and a GoPro tough claw, which goes in my passenger rear seats. So this is the setup. I hope you guys will find it helpful. If you have more inquiries, just comment down in the comment section below, or you can DM me in my Instagram. It's listed in the description as well, so make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. So I think I'll end my vlog here. I think I won't be staying here for a long time. So yeah, this is way more logging off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, share and subscribe. Way more logging off. Mad love and peace out.